Today we'll talk about how can you find experience notifications on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down here, click here on more. So when you just click on more, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. Then you come to settings list, just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just routine to open with you like this here. So it's going to show for you like this, just routine to open with you. Then you click here on experience notifications here. So then here you will find our experience notifications you have in this list here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.